1 year in the making. This next Three Birds renovation is going to show you how to create that coastal lifestyle we all love.
But we're nowhere near the coast. Set on 5 acres, this place looks more like a country town than a coastal one.
Watch us create a stunning large family home for our most demanding client ever.
It's the Reno you've all been asking for.
My dream home.
Let the music play.
We live in the hills on acreage at the moment. We moved here pretty much because I have 4 boys and they needed space to run around. We live in a 4-bedroom home. We bought it with the intention to pretty much renovate, extend, and I always saw the potential in the house, but I just had so many people telling me to just get rid of it and start again. There was no way I was going to get rid of it, and it's staying. We're renovating the house and we're extending.
So stage 1 of the renovation is the cottage and the garage. And once we've completed that, we'll move on to stage 2, which will be the main house.
So the cottage is also genuinely going to be built because we need somewhere to live when we're actually renovating the main house.
So this renovation is our 8th as a business, and Bonnie's been our lead designer on all of them. But this one presents some unique challenges for her. It's her own home, their personal decisions, these products she's placing in her home, she's selecting them forever.
Because this home is 5 acres, I worked with an architect for this house, which was fabulous, and I also worked with a landscape designer, Mon Palmer, so I was able to throw ideas backwards and forwards with them, which was really wonderful.
I'm excited. I think the design will be good. It's when it comes to the decorating. The interior design, that's when I'll start to panic.
We're really on schedule at the moment in regards to the build. I kind of blinked and all of a sudden there was the extension built. So what we've got in the background here is our garage, and we've also got behind that a granny flat, and that'll be a completely self-contained cottage.
It has kitchen, bathroom, laundry, bedroom and living.
Bonnie's whole renovation is what I'd call an extreme sport. It's like renovating on steroids. So of course there has to be a granny flat. I'm surprised there isn't 2 granny flats.
Obviously we're going to build the granny flat first.
Yep, the same
and
time.
then what will happen, we'll move out of here and you'll punch out this whole back of the house, will you?
Exactly right, yeah. I propose almost driving a bulldozer through it, but we'll...
No, we're not doing that. We're renovators. Obviously my main house that we currently live in is all brick. I want it to look like a coastal modern barn, if you know what I mean. I know that's a lot of things, but that's kind of how I want it to feel and look.
Bonnie tells me that her property is going to look like a modern coastal barn. I only know what that looks like from seeing her inspo pics. It's not something I really understand totally.
I'm not really sure I know either, but I kind of do, it's in my head. So I really wanted that whole kind of tall barns that you see, in America and all the rest of it. And then coastal, I want to feel like I'm on holidays all the time. I don't live anywhere near the coast, but this is my coastal home.
99% of the house is actually going to be sky-on cladding. I've actually used Hardy Groove in all of the eaves. And you can see here they're wet as because it's pretty much been raining for feels like 9 weeks, but it hasn't. Apparently we could drop a nuclear bomb on this stuff and it'd be fine. So it's perfect for my fire rating.
I found this article on realestate.com.au, how to survive a reno with a young family. I think we have to send it to her.
Send it to her.
You've got to have a safe haven for the kids.
Yeah.
I'm worried about Dodge.
Yeah.
Somewhere quiet for them to sleep. Spend quality time with them during the reno.
Oh, these things are not happening.
And give kids a say in the decision-making process.
Nathan doesn't even have a say.
It's not going to happen.
Oh, send it to her.
Maybe it will change her mind.
Design of the granny flat is just the bee's knees. In here we will have a kitchen along this wall and then just bench. And then
It won't work. To get the washing machine to dry, the cabinetry has to be quite deep. What if you went around a bit, do your normal door, bath, shower, vanity, toilet. This comes this way, then you've got wall.
No, when Erin's in the zone, she's there to do her job and she doesn't get distracted, she doesn't, she stays on task. I don't do that.
Do you have an idea of what it looks like?
Erin really pulls it back in and she keeps everyone kind of, you know, where they need to be.
Because you want to walk in and put your bed here.
Erin's really just throwing me today.
Well, you never really know what you're going to get with mine. There's times where she feels like she's got to make 50 decisions in one day about design, and then other days where I've got to do the same with the construction front. So yeah, it really helps to have each other.
We are just about at fit out stage for stage 1.
Okay, so that's kitchen,
Yeah.
dining, living, washing machine, dryer. So I had to incorporate the laundry into the bathroom.
So I'm in the shower, I'm in the bar.
You can sit on the toilet.
Oh my God, there we go. There's a spot for all three of us. The bathroom is so different to what I'm used to with some of our bathrooms. It's quite skinny, but it's so tall. So these are all going on the floor?
Yep, so these are my floors.
Beautiful.
The whole space is Axon.
I love it, an Axonathon.
Going up.
Hey, can I put one of those in? I was really happy to be involved with the colour choice. I don't know if Bon thinks it was all her, but I was definitely here the day that we painted samples on the wall.
So Vivid White, Summer Cloud Quarter, Lexicon Quarter,
Yep.
and White on White.
Correct.
I think that Bonnie chose the colour for her walls by having a long, hard think about her favourite colour, and she chose white on white.
The granny flat's at the point now where it's just all ready for Bon and her family to move in, barring the floors.
Well, it's been an eventful day on site. We're just having a chit chat about actually the lovely brick facade at the front that Bonnie was going to keep. And then lovely Dave, the builder, who we love, comes over with some bad news.
This is your son's existing room, Bonnie. The architects have left this here and that's going to be your study. So we've demolished this and it is unusable, it's unstructural.
This has fallen on us.
Well, you know what? Termites are the world's best engineers. That's crazy, isn't it? You know what? We'll keep the chimney. We'll keep the character of your house, we'll keep the chimney.
That's nice.
I pushed back and said, no, I don't want to knock down the house. It's my house and I want my house to stay. It's a renovation.
The termite damage is rife.
It's a wonder they didn't fall down while we were in it with the amount of rugby league that's played in the house.
And like Bon always knew there was termite damage in the house, but I don't think she realised to what extent. And so we said he had to just knock it all down and we've got to pretty much start again.
2 hours ago, I found out that my house was getting knocked down and it's already started.
Whoa! Yeah!
Oh my God, Simon, are you ready?
Green light for excavation.
Yeah, look out.
I plan on being here for a long time. It's our forever home. Built this house for our family. Just, it means a lot to us, this house, and I think just us building our forever home is always going to be a special occasion in your life.
It was a real surprise to see the extent of the termite damage. So the start of stage 2 threw a few curveballs at us, but everything's back on track now. We're all good to go.
It just feels like it's like nearly there. Like we're really on the home run. It's then like the finer details and the styling that kind of, you know, start to happen now. Nah, it needs to go that way just the tiniest little bit. Yeah. All right, cool. Rug it out. Sorry, over in the corner, just flop it over the corner of that lounge. Yeah, I'll fix that later.
Yeah, you need to do that. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Where's this from?
So this is from Zanui.
This artwork's Zanui.
Yeah, everything's from Zanui.
Oh, this is what I'm standing on now, the couch. This is Zanui?
The rug, the lamp, everything is from Zanui. The easiest way to shop is the way that I like to shop.
Online from your bed?
From my bed.
Have you seen this?
That is, I love the legs.
Oh, isn't it just?
I could show you. And whose is this?
Oh.
Is this from Zanui as well? Oh, the greenery.
Isn't it gorgeous? That's it. Outdoors
It's gorgeous.
is done. So overall, I think the cottage has been a huge success.
I was really nervous when you said you were painting it green because I'm like, how can anything be better than white?
Yeah.
It's completely changed my opinion of colour.
I think the cottage can handle it because it's a separate space and it was always going to be a separate space to the house. Frontier by Dulux, which is that emerald gorgeous green. It just gave the cottage that punch it needed.
And it is divine.
Oh, good.
I love it, don't you?
I do, I love it. I love the ceiling in the bathroom.
Very practical, and I know as you were very vocal on getting the Euro laundry in the bathroom, not in the kitchen.
Yeah. We've really managed to achieve that small space living, and it's beautiful as well.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful, it's functional, and it's tiny.
I think you use sky on cladding on every surface. It's everywhere, but it's gorgeous. It's very cabin. Cabin cottage.
I wanted the cottage to feel like a cottage and have texture.
Yeah.
And that's what Skyon does. It gives you a beautiful texture within a space. It gives you some detailing within a space. And then the rattan in the kitchen. I love that.
That's
I really
very
love it.
unique. It's very coastal feel.
And with that Caesar stone, I love it.
Yeah. You did well.
Thanks. Mum and Dad are going to love it, and everyone else who moves into it, they're going to love it.
The kitchen is so huge.
Bonds looks excessive.
No,
Welcome to most people's worlds, Bonnie.
Oh my God. Is this a cathedral or a house?
it's like infuriating.
This is the anchor of the whole house.
Pretty damn exciting.
It looks amazing.
Mom, like just at me, Mom.